Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a flash flood warning for northern LaPorte County in Indiana until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms persisting across northern LaPorte County, especially from Westville to the town of LaPorte, as individual storms are moving at around 5 miles per hour to the east. Radar estimates of 2 to locally over 3 inches of rain has fallen over the last 2 hours. Reports of flooding have been received across portions of US 421 and 6 near Westville with water over the roads. Some locations that will experience flooding include LaPorte, Westville, Byron, Pinola, Otis, Pinhook, and Rolling Prairie. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to locally 3 inches can be expected across portions of the warned area. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: LaPorte, Indiana.